Automotive innovation is moving in the direction of clean energy and electrification. And then some of that still we're unsure of what that means, the uncertainty of it for BC and Canada and what that infrastructure is going to look like, but we still need to be prepared. And everything that we've put into this building will do that. Our good partnerships that we have with industry really helps us to look into the crystal ball and look to the future. So we're designing programs that we know will be the foundation for the future and for future success. And I'm just so excited to see students walk in and experience their programs in this new building.
We're really excited about the new building. That's going to be a tremendous opportunity to get some real focus around the need for students in automotive and help develop the coming talent that's really going to be needed in the automotive sector, with so many vacancies coming up, with big retirements happening across our sector in the coming years. As we go through the next exciting decade of change with new technologies and continuing electrification and all that comes with electric vehicles. So having well-trained, skilled people to do that is going to be so critical in the coming years.
I wanted to go into automotive because I did robotics in high school. Before that, I kind of jumped around, see what my options is, and I figured I'd want to do something more hands-on as my job.
It's really cost-effective. It's not super expensive, but you still get the same amount of training as you would anywhere else because it's a harmonized course. So it's the same across all of Canada, but here it's a lot more affordable. And it just helps me save up a little bit more for my future as well. One of the main things I really enjoy about this program is that we get to work on customer cars. So it really feels like you get a taste of the industry. We'll see the real wear and tear, get an experience of what it's like working in a shop, but also still being guided by instructors when we need to, and help real people with real problems. With EVs developing at such a rapid rate, the information that we're getting is constantly changing. So even right now, what we're learning has just been updated, and we're trying to adapt to the ever-changing world that is electric vehicles.
Here at VCC, we are very hands-on. Real vehicles, real life situations, real scenarios, and we want students to work on that. We want them to diagnose problems, simulate road tests on a dyno, and take that data to find out really what is wrong with that vehicle. And what we're looking at with a new dynamometer is really focusing on the EV side of things.
VCC should be your first choice. We ensure that we design programs that are future ready, future proof, so students have all the tools that they need to be successful in their chosen career and beyond.
For us, it's a really exciting prospect of a bunch of energized, new, young people coming into our sector. Sitting here in the auto shop at Vancouver Community College, you see it all around you.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Abby Masai, Tabby Hanzu.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Thank you for supporting VCC.
Thank you so much for supporting VCC.